This time I want to show again a very interesting experiment with the Tesla coil. And I have here amp meter, and I have here another coil. This will be acting like an extra coil. I have here two windings. The primary winding is 40 meter long. The secondary winding is 20 meter long. So let's now turn on the Tesla to see, to show you the consumption and the arc. How strong is the arc? So let's connect. I'm using 39 amperes, point 39. So the arc is about 7 millimeter, 5 to 7 millimeters. Okay, let's turn off. Now I will connect the primary winding and let's see what we have at the secondary winding. How strong will at the secondary winding? How strong will the and also the end of the primary winding? We can see the end of the primary winding also. So in this mode I cannot run the setup very long because there is very strong radiation and everything is begin to turn on, turn off. Any electronic equipment around is the Tesla coil with the extra coil have very strong influence. So let's turn on. So nothing changed, but let's check the end of the primary winding. About very strong pulse and about 3 centimeters. Let's check the end of the secondary winding. So I cannot hold because it's very strong. So 3 centimeters. So a little bit less. This is secondary winding, this is the strongest. But the consumption is the same. And the radiation is very strong. So let's turn off. So you know now why Nikola Tesla was using an extra coil.